Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you my go-to curry chicken recipe that I often cook on busy days. This curry chicken is cooked with ingredients that are pantry staples. No hunting for fresh aromatics, no blender required, perfect for beginner curry chicken enthusiasts. So come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. Here we have finely diced Bombay onions and also tomatoes, which I have cut into 1-inch cubes. This is the cleaver smashed garlic and grated ginger. We also need meat curry powder, chili powder, and salt. This is the coconut cream. I use the Cara variety. And we also need water. Oil to cook all these ingredients, stir fry, etc. And this is our chicken parts. 1.2 kg of it. You can use any part of the chicken. So first of all, we need to heat up 100 milliliters of oil. So once the oil is nice and hot, we will then brown our Bombay onions. So browning the Bombay onions caramelizes the sugars in the onion, creating a sweeter, richer flavor and contributes to the overall texture of this curry. So it takes maybe about 2 minutes. So continue to stir it all the while until it turns nice and golden brown, something like this. So then it's time for us to add the grated ginger and the blended garlic. Stir fry for about a minute. You can detect a very nice aroma at the end of the stir frying. Then add in the tomatoes. So our aim is to cook the tomatoes until it is mushy. We want to cook it down so that it can thicken our curry gravy. So that when it reaches something like this, we can add our chicken parts. So we need about 5 minutes to brown the chicken. So browning the chicken enhances the flavor of both the chicken and the curry gravy. It also seals in the chicken's juices, leading to a more tender and flavorful curry chicken. So after 5 minutes, you can see that everything is a little bit drier. The pieces are looking nice and golden brown. And you can see that the edges are also brown as well. You see, nice and golden brown. That will be after 5 minutes of stir frying. Then we add our powders, the curry powder and the chili powder. We add these powders last to ensure that its delicate flavors and aroma are not lost due to overcooking. By adding it towards the end of our stir frying process, we can prevent the powders from burning, which may lead to it becoming bitter, and also they may lose their potency if they become burnt. So all we have to do now is to mix everything together, and to help that, we will just add in our water, 200 milliliters of water. Also add in our coconut cream. And the salt. Okay, so stir and mix everything thoroughly. So when everything is nice and mixed, then we can cover it, and then we would like to stew it for 20 minutes. So remember that during the stewing process, we need to constantly and to stir it from time to time. So 20 minutes later, it looks something like this. So our curry chicken is ready. This is the consistency that we want to achieve. Not overly runny, but has a creamy, luscious, gloopy texture that coats every piece of the chicken. This curry is very aromatic, tastes rich, warm, and robust with a savory flavor. This is the time to adjust the saltiness level and the consistency of our curry. Mine looks perfect for what I want to achieve. It looks exactly what I want to achieve. So I'll leave it as that. This is ready to be served. So this curry chicken is best served hot with a piping hot bowl of rice. Do try this easy recipe and share this video if you find it useful. Have a wonderful day, and as always, happy cooking!